Welcome back. Now, one of the ways that you can extend the capability of Microsoft Office 365 when you're working with a team is to use the Dynamics application. And you'll see Dynamics on the left side menu. You want to click that link. Now, some of the applications are going to be free to you. Some have a cost available to them. And one way to search for them is to click the dialog box and then do a search for the kind of or the name of the application that you'd like to apply. For example, someone has created an application for PayPal invoices, and it's designed not only to send an invoice but to collect payment also, and there is a free trial for this application. And so with that being an example, we can take a look at some of the applications to determine which one fits us best. In many cases, you're either using or working with these solutions apart from Microsoft. It might be cost beneficial to use it within Microsoft Office 365. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.